Are we live? KG, Rough to Be Buff TV. We're back with another exercise tutorial today. Today, we're covering the hamstrings. We're gonna be using the TRX suspension training system. So the setup is kind of tricky on this one. Make sure you guys are paying close attention. So when you guys go to the TRX, I want you to come in close and take a look at the cam buckle here. Now there's two cam buckles. Now what you have to do, these are too high. Ideally, where you want your foot loops and your handles are about knee height to about mid calf. So I'm gonna pinch those cam buckles like this. So you see the teeth, and that's gonna allow you to lengthen. Now, when I look at the loops, I use my thumb, and this is about mid calf. So that's about where you want this exercise to be, okay? And obviously you want the loops to be even. Now you're gonna sit your butt down on the ground. Now, the way we measure this is we wanna make sure that your feet are right below, your feet are right below the TRX. You don't wanna be too far away, that advances the exercise, and you don't wanna be too far under because that's just wrong. So feet right below the TRX. Now here's the trickiest part. Everybody screws this up, so pay attention to how we set this up. You're gonna take both of the bottom foot loops, just like this. You see how they're upside down triangles? I put my hand inside. Now watch, I'm gonna open them up so my feet can come through on each side. So my feet are gonna come through the middle, and then I'm gonna drop my heels inside the handles. See how simple that was? I'm gonna reset because everyone messes this up. Two upside down triangles. I'm gonna open up, my body's gonna come through the middle, I'm gonna roll onto my back, and I'm gonna set my heels right inside of the foot handles, okay? So from here, you can go wide base with your hands, or you can go elbows. Make sure you're centered with the TRX, and you wanna make sure that you're not seesawing with your feet. Now from here, you're gonna extend your hips up. Make sure your butt is up, abs are drawn in, you're posteriorly tilting the hips, and you're gonna drive your heels towards your hamstrings. Slowly out, while keeping good extension in the hips. Now you try to fire those heels to the hammies, and I'm feeling this already. I think this is repetition 8 or 9. Oof. Now, you can go slow and hold, you can go quick. Super good exercise. Ooh. Then you're gonna get your heels out. Really good exercise to leverage the hamstrings or to progress from like a Swiss ball hamstring curl. Throw this and pair it with any leg day the next time that you guys are in the gym. I hope that helped. TRX hamstring curl. I'm KG. Another exercise tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Do not forget, hit that like button and subscribe. Peace.